Hello everyone, greetings from PayTap's technical support team. In this series, you are going to learn everything you need to integrate PayTap's Magento plugin into your Magento store. Throughout the series, we will walk you through the 7 steps you need to fully understand and integrate the plugin. And now, let's get started. Now let's start with the first step. In this step, we are going to learn how to set up, activate, and upgrade the plugin. Before we start, please note that you can find the full documentation for this step inside PayTap's support portal under the article called the Magento Plugin Integration Manual. So, in this step, we will learn how we can set up, activate, and upgrade the plugin, but before we do that, we are going to walk you through some basics information that you will need to know first. In the first part of step 1, we are going to learn more about the Magento plugin and what is Magento. Now, Magento is an e-commerce platform built on an open source technology that provides online merchants with a flexible shopping cart system as well as the control over the look, the content, and the functionalities of their online store. So simply, Magento is a wonderful e-commerce platform. You can read more about Magento inside our solution article, get to know more about the Magento platform inside PayTap support portal, or we highly recommend you to visit their official website. Now, the next thing you need to do before we start the setup is the differences between Magento Store base currency and display currency. The Magento Store base currency or the payout currency is the currency where all your payment will be initiated and charged with. On the other hand, the default currency or the display currency is the currency that will be displayed to your customers on your Magento Store. It is very important to know the difference so you can define the list of currencies you need to be configured on your PayTap's merchant dashboard. Note that PayTap's accepts payments with multiple currencies. You just need to reach us at customercare@paytaps.com requesting the currency that you want to be added to your dashboard. Now that we understand more about Magento itself and the differences between the store's currencies and the display currency, the next thing we need to do is to know more about the system requirements. And here, we are going to know about the requirements we need before starting to set up our plugin. Actually, we just need the basic requirements. Of course, you will need to have your PayTap's merchant account ready, and of course you will need to have your Magento dashboard ready. And here, we just need a minimum of Magento 2.x, which means any version of 2 and above. And plus for that, we need a minimum of PHP version 7.4 and your running curl extension and your MP string extension to be installed, and now you are ready to go.